first joined YouTube back in 2012, it was just to show off my beautiful garden. It was my passion. And while I still love gardening, there are many more things that I love, now that I have a little bit more time to pursue them. I knew nothing about editing, and at the time, there were very few YouTubers teaching editing, but the people that joined my channel back then held on, and I want to thank you for that. I have since sold my house with a big, beautiful garden, and we downsized to an apartment, less than half the size of the house. Life happens. I had to take a step back from the YouTube platform. That 8-year-old boy running with a man-powered lawnmower is almost 20 years old now. Instead of plants and trees, I've seen the hatching of 3 sets of ducks on my 4th floor balcony. Of course, my husband and I are now older. He is retired, and I've been working from home since 2019. And because of it, I got to spend more time with my son while he was still in high school. When we moved to the apartment, I discovered new passions, like painting furniture. Who knew? I painted almost anything and everything on my path. I think I painted every dark colored piece of wood that I had in the house. I wanted it to make it fit into my new apartment without having to buy new stuff. Flower pots, vases, anything. I also discovered public speaking. I became part of an online Toastmasters group that has helped me to sharpen my public speaking skills. I've learned so much about myself, and this new stage of life of the over 50s crowd, I can't wait to share some of those insights with you. So what's next? I'm diving back into content creation. I have spent countless hours learning how to edit. I have a long way to go, I know, but I'm in love with the editing process. Although, I'm not going to lie, it's very, very time consuming. Every comment, every like, every subscriber just pushes me to up my game, whether it's a product review or a glimpse into my life as a board member of my community, aging, or just sharing what I've learned along the way. I want this space to be a community where we can grow and learn together. I'd love to hear from you, whether you've been here since 2012 or just finding my channel now. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of content you enjoy. Let's make this space a place where we can inspire each other. I am so grateful for your support and for this chance to reconnect. So let's get started on this new chapter together. I'll see you soon.